In this exercise, I want to explore not just the alternatives to detail groups, but how we can enhance their use. From your startup screen, click on Open, browse to Chapter 3, and open the file Chapter 3 Editing Tools Extended. In a previous exercise, we created some pipe hangers as detail groups, and I did say that this was a very inefficient way of working with Revit MEP. If I click on the group and edit the group, select all the items, you can see that we have 108 individual elements in this group. This is not a block or a family, and so the more groups you have, the more elements you'll have. So what I want to do is combine the power of groups and the power of families. From the Annotate tab, click on Component, and from the Properties palette, make sure that you have the pipe bracket 140 by 145. This is a detail family. It shows all the same details as the detail group, but it's one object. It's more robust, it's more flexible, and takes up less resources in the project. So let's see what we can do with a detail component and a detail group. The first thing I'm going to do here is copy one of the pipes. And I'm then going to move my detail component into the same location as the pipe. And to align the detail component, let's first go to the View tab, Visibility Graphics, and turn on the pipe center lines. I'm then going to use the Align tool from the Modify tab and start by using my pipe center to align my detail. With the detail component in place, I can now start adjusting a few things. Take, for instance, the height of this. Built into the family, I can use these grips to drag the height of the overall hanger. Selecting the detail line, I also have the option to turn off the end bolt. I could go on to embellish this more, but now what I can do is turn this element into a group. Let's call it my temp hanger. Drag its origin. And the whole purpose of this was that I now want to change these three groups of multiple elements into a single element. If I ungroup them now, I now have a family in place, rather than lots of individual elements that I'm going to have trouble manipulating. I can now select the pipe hanger in the project browser and delete it from the project. The temp hanger that I created needs to be ungrouped, and now I can also delete that.